Tesmec is an Italian company. It was founded in 1951, headquartered in Milan. We have big presence in the European market with six production plants and one production plant in France and another one in United States. Tesmec has been busy in the energy, transport of energy, mining, automation, and railway business. And it has grown in the last 20 years exponentially. So we are now at the forefront of high-tech companies producing machines for open cast mining and all that it comes with, so in terms of services and solutions for the mining market. We are proposing our surface miners to the mining indaba public. So we have two main models. It's our 1150. It's a 55-ton machines, 440 horsepower. It's a medium-sized surface miner, more flexible for small pits like box cuts, where you need flexibility of operations, maneuvering, and so on. And then we have our biggest machine, which is a 1475. It's a 120-ton machine, 630 horsepower, very high production machine that can dig anywhere from hard rock to very soft ground. The advantages of such machines compared to conventional methods is basically the environmental impact, the very much reduced environmental impact of the solution. The fact that you can get rid of mostly, I wouldn't say 100%, but to say 90-95% of drill and blasting, with all the environmental impact that comes with, reduction of noise, reduction of dust produced by the machines, and increase in performances, which in turn it comes down to a reduction of cost per ton of a solution. We're very flexible, especially in Africa. We have a main office in Johannesburg. We train our technicians and operators, so we can give our customers a fully fledged solution, whether they only need the maintenance on the machine and training in the operations, or we can even supply them the operations ourselves. We have our own operators with vast experience in operating these kind of machines. And as I would say, another service that we can offer them is support on the mine planning with such machines, which these machines, surface miner, is quite a new concept in mining. So we understand that we need to integrate lots of functions to it. So one of these is like the mine planning with this kind of machines. So we can support our customers from the concept until the after sales for these machines. Tesmec, as a medium to big-sized company, is now focused on sustainability of the solutions that we give. Whether it is an impact on the environment, bringing a solution that is reducing already the impact on the environment with a surface miner, because you're going to use less fuel. The solution is virtually reducing the waste also that you have in the mine. But also as Tesmec, we are obviously, our R&D department is thinking what we can do more for the environment. So in some other models that we have in our line, product line, we have now implemented fully electrical machines. We can say excavating machines with fully electric powered, with batteries. Obviously we are working hard to increase the capabilities of such machines, because we know there are some limits to the technology, but we are really working at the forefront to get a more sustainable solution for our customers. The smart mining is something that we really have developed in the last years. So all our machines now, we have an electronic system, a digging system, which is called Trenchtronic 5.0. It's now, the machine is fully controlled electronically by our proprietary software. This goes hand in hand with our trench intel system. So it's basically a 3D GPS control for the machine, positioning and depth control for the machine. All these solutions are to basically increase the efficiency of the machines. If you increase the efficiency of the machine, you will have a more sustainable solution because you're going to use less fuel for more production. Another solution that we have is our TRC, which is our remote control for the maintenance. So the health and safety of our operators and mechanics is going to improve. And then also we have the remote monitoring, what we call the remote monitoring of fleet of our machines. So all the data from the machine is controlled and sent to a server where you sitting in your office, you can check all the data on the machine. So the automation now virtually on the machine is that at some point you can operate the machine from your office in a near future. That is what we can bring to the table.